Hello, Isaac here on our Cook Menu. Today we're making a KFC style popcorn chicken. A very crispy chicken which you're gonna love it at the end. I know you love chicken, I love chicken as well, and so if you do, let's make it happen. I have my chicken breast here which I got from Walmart, and I took 2 chunks of the chicken breast and cut them into small bite sizes. Alright, so you can see this is my small bite sizes. I cut them into, and then I'm gonna go ahead and then add all my ingredients. Okay, alright, and so I have my chicken breast here which I've cut them into small bite sizes. I'm gonna go ahead and then add my 4 pinches of salt, okay, inside. Okay, 0.5 tablespoon of chopped garlic in there, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce inside here. Alright, I'm gonna just spread it across in there. 0.5 tablespoon of red pepper also in here. Okay, I love ginger because it helps boost the immune system. 6 tablespoons of milk, and black pepper. Alright, so now that I have everything inside, I'm gonna go ahead and then mix it very well. Make sure it is well mixed. Mix it very well. Try to let everything soak because we're going to marinate this, put this in the fridge. I'm taking it to the fridge. It is going to be in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to marinate very well, okay? So now I have it inside the fridge, and then I'm gonna go ahead to also prepare my flour coating. So I have my bowl here, and then I have a cornstarch and all-purpose flour. Okay, it depends on you which flour you want to use. You can use a corn flour, you can use a wheat flour, but I am going for all-purpose flour. Anything could work. And so I am gonna dump them in here. 140 grams of flour, which is equivalent to 8.5 tablespoons. And I also have a 70 grams of cornstarch, which is equivalent to 4.5 tablespoons. Okay, but in case you want to know which brand I'm using, this is the brand I'm using for the flour. Okay, you can go for a wheat flour, you can go for a corn flour, but I'm going for all-purpose flour. And then the brand is Great Value. The same cornstarch, I'm also going for the Kingsport brand. You can use any brand you want, it depends on you. I'm just gonna go ahead and dump everything inside for the flour coating. I'm gonna go ahead to pour in my 140 grams of all-purpose flour in a bowl. And then my 70 grams of cornstarch also in a bowl. Then I have my 0.5 tablespoon of red pepper here. I have my 4 pinches of salt also in here. And I'm gonna mix them. I'm gonna crack and toss my egg inside right it comes off from the fridge. Okay, just 1 egg. Whisk it. I'll mix it very well. Once I have my egg mixed with the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and coat my chicken in the flour and then the cornstarch. First layer ready. layer ready, but once we have our first layer ready, you have to soak it in the water, very cold water, to get your second layer, okay? Now we have our cold water, so we're gonna get our second layer. Soak it in cold water, then you put it back. I'm gonna add my cooking oil, which is Unico brand. I will check if the oil has fried enough by just placing this to check. Once you hear the sizzling sound, that means now you're gonna turn it over. Okay, so now we have our first fry ready, but because we want it to be more crispy, we're gonna go for our second fry, okay? Try to keep it on the low heat when you're doing this. You try to do the same thing, you flip them over. Soon it's gonna be ready. Have our KFC style popcorn chicken done. Okay, just let me pour it in here, and then you're gonna hear the sound, okay? Just hear the sound. Our KFC chicken is ready. This is so awesome and very nice. On the bowl are some adorable little chickens who wants to play in my mouth, and so I'm gonna have a bite. Can you hear the sound? Alright then, so viewers, that is our chicken right here. Our KFC style chicken is done. Let me just give you these tips in case you want to have more of the crispy part. You have to add your cornstarch. If you don't want it to be very crispy, you can just ignore the cornstarch, and yet you can still have your KFC style popcorn chicken. Thank you so much. Until then, our next food. Bye bye.